At Atlas Fibre, we're more than a supplier. We're the force behind next-gen components worldwide. Leadership in advanced plastics and precision machining means driving innovations that help industries move faster, reach higher, and build what's next.
Our success comes from doing the hard things right, building systems that deliver, people who care, and a company that thrives on innovation.
Our 120,000 square foot facility is built for readiness. Backed by North America's largest stock of NEMA and Mil-Spec certified materials, we move from prototype to production with confidence and consistency.
It's not enough to machine a part. We have to deliver it on time, cleaner, and more predictably than anyone else in the space.
From aerospace to electrification, innovators trust Atlas Fibre for high-performance materials and precision parts that power their next breakthrough.
We talk to engineers, buyers, executives, and what they all want is the same: confidence that their parts will be there, exactly when needed.
Holding tolerances down to 2/10,000ths of an inch. Atlas Fibre machines with precision at scale. Lights out automation and vertical integration keep us running 24/7, delivering speed, efficiency, and consistency.
It is more than muscle memory, it is a mindset. We treat every part like it's the only part that matters.
From Vericut simulation to predictive tooling, our technology runs 72 plus hours uninterrupted. Innovation doesn't wait, and neither do we.
Our job is to deliver with certainty, fast, flexible, and on spec. The systems we built let us do that at scale.
Quality isn't just a department at Atlas Fibre. It's built into every setup, every process, every part. Our clean room and advanced inspection verify that every batch meets the highest standards.
Compliance is not about checking boxes. It's about building trust, internally and externally, through discipline, data, and continuous improvement.
In an industry where trust is earned part by part, we've built Atlas Fibre to be the supplier you never have to second guess.
Discover the Atlas Fibre difference. Smarter materials, expert machining, and a company that's building what's next.